Assalamu alaikum, my dear students. I hope you all are very well. Today, in your ICT class, I will discuss from chapter 2 because here we can see some technical issues regarding chapter 2. The importance of information and communication technology, this is first chapter 1. This is not very much technical. That's why I am going to computer network, chapter 2, page number 18. You can get the PDF from this website, nctp.gov.bd. Okay. So page number 18, we can see page number 18, computer network. Okay, here is the computer network. What is the first topic? The first topic is the idea of network. What is the network? So here we can see, if two or more computers can exchange data among themselves after being connected by any communicating medium, it is called computer network. Perhaps you have understood that merely 2 or 3 computers are not connected to a real network. It connects a large number of computers. Nowadays, as long as anybody, after purchasing a computer, fails to connect it to a network, he thinks that the main purpose of its use is not rightly served, because an enormous volume of work is done when information is exchanged through computer network. A user of computer can use many features of a computer network. He can use the resource that he does not have from the network. So here you can see a network. Here we can see, at first we can see a server, and then client, switch, printer, internet, router. Okay, we don't know what is server, what is router, switch, etc. So we have to start from the beginning. What is network? We will start from the beginning. What is network? Suppose here you can see, suppose here is a computer. Here is a computer such as computer 1, PC 1, and then computer 2, PC 2. PC means personal computer. The computers that are used in personal uses, such as at home or at office, these are called the personal computers. In short, PC. Okay. Here, 2 PC are connected. 2 PC are connected for exchange of information, and number 2, sharing of information. These are the purpose to make a network. Okay, so PC1 and PC2 are connected for 2 purposes. These are exchange of information, sharing of information. So what's the difference between exchange and sharing? Okay, here you can see, if you have a pen but your friend doesn't have a pen. So she said you to give your pen to write something, and then you will given by her this pen. So you give your pen to your friend, and after he doing his work, then return to you. That is sharing. Okay, this pen is shared. Basically, in a computer, we can share a printer or a software, okay, by using network. And then exchange of information. Exchange of information means you can download or upload any files. This can be exchange of information. If you download a file from a network, then you can save this file. So this is not such kind of sharing. This is called exchanging of information. I think you can understand what is network. So in short, network, what is network? If two computers are connected for two purposes, these are exchange of information and sharing of information. That is called computer network. Okay, so now we will discuss the idea of network. So at first, here we can see server. What is server? The name indicates that its work is to serve. That is, server is a strong computer that provides services to other computers connected to the network. So here is a strong computer. What is strong computer? Muscle is strong. That is strong? No, it is the specification of the computer. So the server has the best specifications, such as RAM of the server is 16 gigabyte, and then hard disk drive maybe 4 terabyte. The processor speed is very high of a server, but if you compare to a client, then the RAM of a client will be 2 GB or 4 GB. Hard disk drive will be 512 GB. So this is stronger. This is called server, which can serve. That is called server. Okay. Here in a network, you can have one or more server. Okay, more than one server. And then we can see client. If anybody receives service from any person, he is called the client. The meaning of client is almost similar to computer network. The computers that receives information from the server are called clients. Suppose you want to send an email from your computer by using the network. Your computer will be the client. The computer of the network that provides you with the service of sending email for you is called the server. That is email server. Such as you can see here, I have a server such as gmail.com. So by entering gmail.com, I can send a mail, okay, from my account. This is Mr. Asif bin Noor @gmail.com. So this is the Mr. Asif bin Noor @gmail.com is the client, and gmail.com is the server. I think you can understand. So this is, so gmail.com is the server and Mr. Asif bin Noor @gmail is the client, because I take the service from the network. Okay, and then media. What is media? Here you can see PC1 is connected to PC2 by which? By a cable. Okay, so this cable is a media, and the media can be two kinds. These are wired media and then wireless media. Wireless media. Wired media can be coaxial cable, can be fiber optic cable, can be twisted pair cable. Okay, these are the wired media. And then wireless, such as Bluetooth, Wi-Fi, these are the wireless. Okay, example of wireless media. And then network adapter. Network adapter means what? A computer cannot be directly connected to the network. A network interface card should be attached with the computer to do so. The card can collect information from the media and transfer to computers for use, and alternately receiving data from computers sent to the computer. So the NIC, network interface card, is the network adapter. How? Here you can see this cable is connected to this network, to this computer. How it is connected? It is connected to the NIC, network interface card, which is built in a motherboard, which is built in a motherboard. Okay, so in a PC we can have CPU, okay, or system unit. In a system unit we can have a motherboard. In a motherboard we have to install a network interface card. This card is called adapter, network adapter. So where we can connect the cables that card is called network interface card, and that is network adapter. And then resource. What is resource? The advantages offered to the clients for use are resources such as a printer can be a resource, a software can be a resource, a gaming software can be a resource. Okay, so resource can be two types. One is hardware, then is software resource. What can be a hardware resource? Hardware resource can be a printer or a fax machine can be a hardware resource, or a software such as a painting software or a gaming software. This can be a software resource. Okay, and then user. The client who uses resources from a server is called the user. Such as we are using an email, so email from a device such as from my phone or from my computer. So my phone, my computer is a user. Okay, and then protocol. What is protocol? Protocol protocol is the rules. A set of rules are called protocol. Okay, for example, HTTP is a kind of protocol. Hypertext transfer protocol. It is a protocol where by which we can access to the web, such as here if we write facebook.com, then here actually we can see http://www.facebook.com. so here is the HTTP. Okay, HTTP, hypertext transfer protocol. This is a kind of protocol. Here S is also referred for secure. HTTPS is more secure than HTTP. Okay, this is the update version. Okay, so at last we can see protocol. Okay, there are some more protocol like email sending protocol. email sending protocol. Here we can see SMTP, simple mail transfer protocol. This is a mail sending protocol. Okay. POP3, post office protocol 3. This is mail receiving protocol. This is sending protocol. So these are the protocols. That means these are the set of rules for a network. Okay. So we have completed server, client, media, network adapter, resource, user, protocol, HTTP, etc. Okay. So we have completed the idea of network. I think you can understand. Everyone will memorize this, try to memorize these topics. You will get simple questions such as what is server, what is client, or what is protocol, or you can find a broad question like explain the idea of a network. Then you have to write what is network, then what is server, client, media, such as user, protocol, etc. Okay, you have to explain this for the question of what is the for the question of explain the idea of network. Okay, that's all for today. Assalamu alaikum. Allah Hafiz.